Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we are going to review how to add customer names to your SprayLogger system. This is not creating customer profiles. We review that in another tutorial. This is for when you are starting a spray job, giving the ability to select what customer is being assigned to that job. So, for instance, I'll bring over my SprayLogger mobile device here. So if I'm going to hit Start Job, here I have the ability to create a new job name, but also select who my customers are. So it's adding to this list. So in order to do that, you're going to go to Administration, People, and then Customers. And then from here, you can give them a customer name, assign them a number that just puts it in an order list for sorting, and then hit Insert. If I want to edit or if I want to get rid of any pre-existing customers, I can just hit delete, and that will delete them out of the system. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to add and delete customers from your SprayLogger system.